Hey friends, in the last video we explored a very intuitive form builder for professional business website in form of FormGen. So you can watch this specific video and using this you can create your form as you need for your business. Yes. Okay, so as soon as I published this video, the said video on the channel, I got a direct ping on the live chat. So the question was, I need a form with the user registration, user login, and payment mechanism. So the form requires a registration with the custom fields, the user registration, of course, the payment collection, and further in the future user login as well. So I got this exact match solution in form of RegistrationMagic, and this plugin is available for free at WordPress repository, and it has already got 9,000 plus existing users and very good rating from its existing users. So let us explore this wonderful solution through which we can create a custom registration form, publish sign up and login pages, and enable user registration and approve new users, accept payment, track submissions, manage users, analyze users registration data, assign user roles, and apply registration status, send bulk emails, automate registration form processes, launch event registration forms, integrate with WooCommerce, and many more. So I would recommend to watch this video available on the official page of this plugin. I'm not going to repeat the things. This is already on the YouTube. I have watched this video, and that made me to make this video that can show you about this solution very quickly, and you are the best to judge whether it is helping your website or not. Okay, so I'm going to back end of this website, and we will install the RegistrationMagic, and let us see how easily we can implement or use this form builder. In fact, the registration with login system and payment forms, and even it is fulfilling the GDPR compliances. So first thing that I'll do will deactivate the FormGen. So we have already explored this. So let us deactivate this FormGen Pro and the FormGen Core as well. And now I'm going to install this, not this one, RegistrationMagic. Okay, so I copied here and I will click on add plugin. You need know the simple process of installing any free plugin. So I'll search here and let us see what we find. Okay, RegistrationMagic is here. Simply install this. Okay, very good reviews from existing users, and it is being regularly updated. The last update was done a week ago when I am recording this video. Now the form RegistrationMagic has been installed, and we can activate it simply, and we'll check the next steps. Okay, so you might be thinking you can do all these things at your own, but you even need to know, when you are just testing the plugin, you should not install at your live website, because when you are removing plugins, it may I'm not sure, maybe for a particular plugin, or may not be, it may leave the marks of installation, I mean in form of tables, in form of data on your database. That is not required actually for your website. So don't clutter your database just by testing plugin on the live website. And this is also a purpose to show all the things in the videos on this channel, to give you insights about the themes and plugins, so that you may understand what actually you are going to do, what you are buying, what you are going to use and all. So this is here, and the two things are already available, like Shortcode. The login form is already here, and the registration form. So two forms are already created where we can go to the dashboard, or we can have the field manager, or we can go for analytics. So the good part of this form, registration form builder, that it includes the registration inbuilt. So you can check how many registrations are done, how many users has been registered using the form, and this is the main thing that you can take advantage of. So this is a very intuitive dashboard where you can check everything. So the failure rate, average filling time, and the total widgets, and all can be presented in the graphical presentation. And you can reset all stats and overview as well. So this is the main reason when you are having a form system, registration system, you should also have an exact analytics or the reporting system, so that you may actually understand how the module is working for you. So in this registration magic, what we have, so we can of course check all forms where you can use the login form. You can simply place this shortcode on a page where you want to have the login system at your website, and simply same for the registration form. uh, all the inbox message shows the collection of data where you can check and filter all the submissions. Further, we have attachments, like if you are getting any attachments with the form. The form analytics is separately here. The custom statuses, what you can include with the form, and like pending, approved, it can be used as a status. The automation system is also here, so it is all in free. So I am not using any pro version, or I don't know even whether pro version is available. Yes, premium is here in case you need to have more feature, turn visitor into users with powerful tools, so you can upgrade it. But I am showing you the free one, where you can have the automations, like you can uh, add a new task, so how you want to automate, and you can go for automation like things. The bulk email system is also here. So in case you have collected the data, you can go for bulk email like active queues, outbox, and documentation you can check. So you can send directly mail to registered users from here, I believe. User managers are here, so you can allot users, you can add new users to your form who can access and handle the controls. Okay, so you can add users since it is a registration form, so you can even add the user role. Again, this is another important thing, what is important for the registration form. Since the visitors are going to register at your site, so you can decide the roles for them, and the role key is here, role name, and the inherit permissions, like you can have the administrator role, editor role, author, or contributor, whatever. The sign up charges are also here, just in case you want to collect the payment. You have to configure the payment mechanism where you can collect the payment for the signups. Similarly, we have products, so inbuilt products, yes. So you can add new products for which you can collect payments, of course. So this is the product pricing type, like fixed pricing, multi-select, or the drop downs. The product name, this is simple product, not like WooCommerce product. It is going to work with the registration system, like name, the price, the display price, and all such fields can be achieved here. And you can simply attach a product with the form, right? So the next thing that we can discuss here is the payments. So payment system can be directly integrated. You can have the reports here on this screen. Global setting gives us options to configure all the things like licenses, the security, reCAPTCHA, the magic pop-up buttons, and the user accounts, email configuration, the payment mechanism, like you might be waiting to see. So this is the PayPal, Stripe, Authorized.net, WePay, and some offline payment method. You can set the currency according to your country, and you can collect the payments subjected you have these live accounts like PayPal, Stripe, and all, right? And on the next, we have the support. Just in case if you need support, you can go for that. So you don't need to create separate form for registration. You don't need any additional payment gateway. I mean, of course, you need a payment gateway, but you don't need a separate plugin for configuring the payment gateway. Similarly, we have the bulk email system inbuilt, and moreover, you have automation mechanism with the form. That is very required, because when you have multiple registration system, I mean, the multiple users on and users are regularly getting registered at your website, you need to make a data flow where you can have the follow-ups, and also like you can integrate with the CRM and all. So it is all inbuilt and it is all for free. Yes. So what I have shown in this video, it's available for free wherever you want to use. There is no limitation, but yes, you can have the premium features in case if you need. And I feel this can be a perfect match, and I have answered the question properly to the visitor, to the all prospective visitor who are willing to have a registration form system with the payment and user login. So this is a simple plugin that you can go for. And in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress website. I'm sure you are going to use this system. And okay, so you need any specific feature, don't hesitate in asking in the comment, or directly go with a live chat on a mentor with a mentor on the iCreate program. All links has been given in the video description. So let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye, keep watching. Thank you.